Today's a good day because we got the Basius. This is the upgraded GAN Pro Desktop Power Strip. This is a super fast charger. This is the GAN3 USB-C wall charger. This has 3 fast charging ports with a 100-watt USB-C cable. It's compatible with MacBook, laptops, iPhone, Samsung, iPad. Basius Power Combo. This thing is only $59.99. It's normally a $100 power strip. So you guys can get a smoking deal if you click on the link down below today. Other than that, guys, we're going to get right into it, show you what this guy looks at, and show you just how capable it really is. So there's just a little tab here. We're going to pull this tab back. We can open it up there. There's 2 little cut tabs on the side here. So you slice through those. I didn't have to, so they must have been broke open, but regardless, we slide it out here like that. There's a little bit of reading material inside of there, a little booklet with some stickers on it and a user manual. So we're going to get rid of that for now. It comes inside of this little trifold box, and there's a USB-C cable included, and it's got this little Velcro strap to help you keep it tidy and out of the way. So it's USB-C to USB-C, which is very good. Little user manual on how to hook it up, and then some warning cables or warning tags on here. Just talking about electrical cords and how they can be dangerous. Probably required. So it comes in this plastic sleeve. We're going to pull that out of there. There's a little plastic cover that covers the actual box. This is a very heavy duty cable. I can definitely see why this thing puts out some major output, because this cable is super heavy. The cable is extremely thick for this tiny little box. So this is it. You got this tiny little box here, you got a plug here. The cool part about this one, what makes this one so awesome to me, is that you got extension cables or extension plugs here. So you can plug in on either side of this box another cable. So it's like a little extension cord, but you also get the USB 1, USB 2, Type C2, and Type C1 charging. And this thing has 100 watts of max output power if you're using a Thunderbolt cable. So it's always important to try to use a Thunderbolt cable, a Thunderbolt 4 if you can, with these type of cables, because that's when you're going to get the highest transfer rates. But regardless, it's just this super heavy duty thick cable. We do have our iPhone XR here, and this thing I believe is only charged to about 30%. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this thing underneath the microscope so you guys can see just how fast it will charge from 30% all the way through. So if you guys can see, we do have this thing hooked up now. And if you look here, there's the indicator light, and that is on, showing that it is ready to go. Okay. And we do have our XR here, and it's at 29%. You can see it right there. Okay guys, so we got this thing plugged in, and you can see that by the indicator light right here, everything is ready to go. Like I said, the coolest part is just that these outputs, because you don't see that a lot. But what we got is we got an iPhone here, so we got the XR, so we're going to need to use a USB-C to the iPhone Thunderbolt cable. Okay, so we're going to plug in here. Normally, if you were charging something like a laptop, or something with a USB-C output, like let's just say a MacBook Pro, you would definitely want to try to use a Thunderbolt 4 cable. And so this is a Thunderbolt 4 cable, and they're not cheap by far. These things are about $25 to $30. And you can see by the 4 and the Thunderbolt indicator on the cable itself that it is a Thunderbolt cable. These things are super thick and heavy duty. If you look at the cord size difference, it's dramatic. And that's because this thing can push some major output. You're talking about 100 watts. So we're not going to be able to get that kind of speed out of this because it is an iPhone. But we're going to see how fast it'll charge just an iPhone right now. So we're going to get this thing plugged in and get it going for you guys. We're at 28% right now. Okay guys, and we have hit 50% charge, and that was pretty fast. And like I said, this thing is just super cool for many reasons. This thing's charging my phone so fast that it's actually starting to warm up. It's not getting too hot, nothing that I would super worry about or anything like that. It's just an explanation of how fast this thing can charge, and you know, the thickness of the cable and everything just kind of goes to show just kind of the powerhouse that it really is. And it's definitely worth it for the price of $59. You save 40% right now if you buy this thing, because like I said, it's only $59 and you get free returns if you don't like it. This thing's got 347 5-star ratings on Amazon, 4.5 stars. And you could save an extra 15% when you apply a coupon. So I mean, it's a no-brainer here, guys. Even if you need an extension cord, it's got that option, but you got your USB plugs. You can use this at work or school or wherever you think it's going to be best suited for you. So it's got the 3 fast charging ports. You can charge up to 65 watts through one of the USB-C ports, the type C 1-2, and 60 watts max for a single charge via USB-A. And that's going to be 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, less than or equal to 3 amps. You can charge your laptop from 0 to 100% in only 2 hours. USB-C wall chargers are compatible with multiple fast charging protocols such as QC 4.0+, PD 3.0, QC 2.0, SCP, FCP, AFC, and PE+. It's 5 times faster than the standard 5 volt 2.4 amp charger. And note that a 100 watt cable is included for fast charging experience. So that cable that was in the box, that we saw in the box, is a 100 watt cable, which is super awesome. I mean, like I said, those cables aren't cheap. 4.92 feet power cord is made of flexible materials, allowing you to charge all your devices at once on your desk through 2 AC charging ports, 2 USB-A's, and 2 USB-C ports. Keep your desk clean with the organizer strap included and a 45-degree angle plug duplex wall outlet. This thing is GAN 3 and ETL certified. It has the upgraded GAN 3 Pro technology chip and unique partition cooling system, provides better low temperature fast charging experience than GAN 2. A safety design for the AC ports to prevent children from putting in fingers, meanwhile certified safe by ROHS, FCC, and ETL. This USB-C wall charger with 2 outlets adopts 94V0 flame retardant PC shell. It's 100% copper wire. It's got the 16 AWG extension cord, which is a thicker wire core for low heat and higher safety. It's highly portable and compatible. It's got the novel compact power strip, 3.82 inches at 1.6 inches at 1.5 inches. Its compact body and travel-friendly design ensures maximum portability wherever you go. This USB-C wall charger is compatible with most of the laptops, MacBooks, iPhone, iPad, Samsung smartphones, Bluetooth earphones, e-readers, portable speakers, hair dryers, electric shavers, air circulation fan, and other devices that charges with a USB cord, and small electrical appliances for office, home, and travel. The power combo is 4.9 foot extension cord, 65 watt USB-C wall charger, 100 watt type C charging cable, user guide, and the worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. This company has great customer service if you guys have a problem with any of their devices. They're really easy to get a hold of and fast. And like I said, this thing is just super neat. It's got every feature that you can possibly want. It's got that thick, super thick cord. It does have the wall outlets, which is the majorly cool feature. It's got the little indicator light to tell you that it's on. Two different USB-C chargers, 2 different USB-A chargers. This thing is just ideal for everything. The cool thing that I like about it too is this cable doesn't come out, so you're never going to lose it, which is super cool. Sometimes I'll leave cables plugged into things just for the fact that I may lose them if I take them out of that device, and this you don't have to worry about.